Hi everyone, welcome to week 18 of first grade. I hope that you had an amazing winter break and that you're ready to come back to school and you're excited and you missed school because I know that I did. Okay, so this week in math we're going to be talking about teen numbers and how to add up to 20. So I know that we've previously talked about it. We're just going to go over it again, make sure that everyone has it down because it's a super important skill. In order to be able to add bigger numbers, you need to be able to add the smaller numbers. Okay, so it's really, really important. So this week, our specific focus is on counting on to add. So we've already talked about counting on for smaller numbers. Now we're going to be counting on for bigger numbers. So say we had something like this. Okay, this is obviously 15. That's our first step. If your child doesn't recognize some of their teen numbers, that's something we really need to work on and get them so they have all those numbers down, up through 20 at least right now. Okay, so, and I know that some of the kids are struggling with their teen numbers, which is okay. We're going to really focus on it for this whole entire month, and we're really going to get it down so we feel comfortable adding up to 20. Okay, and then we'll probably move into subtracting. Okay, so this problem reads 15 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equals what number? So we don't want them to start at 1 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want them to start at 15. Remember, this is counting on, which means you're starting at any specific number and you're counting on from there. So we would start at 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So my answer is 19, which is a 1 and a 9. Make sure when they write it, they are not writing it like this when they do their homework. Although they have the correct numbers, this number is 91. It's not 19. We've gone over and over and over again that teen numbers start with a 1 every single time. So make sure they're getting that one first when they're doing their homework at home, please. Okay, so counting on. This can be counting on from 5, counting on from 7, counting on from any specific number. We just want them counting on from that number up to whatever their answer is. It's important that they understand that as a skill. They can use their fingers, they can draw dots, whatever it is that makes it easier for them to count on, they can use that. Remember, fingers are not, I know back when I was a kid, fingers were discouraged, like don't use your fingers to add, but fingers are manipulative that you have with you all the time. You always have your fingers. So I still use my fingers every once in a while when I'm adding, if I'm in a hurry, okay? It's not a big deal. Use your fingers if you have to. It's perfectly fine. And I teach that, and I know Miss Cindy teaches that as well. So counting on to add is our focus this week. We really need to hit those teen numbers hard. We're also going to just be looking at teen numbers in general and what they look like and the order that they go in and counting from 0 to 20. So that is our focus this week. I hope that you guys again had an amazing winter break. You're ready, you're focused, you're ready to be back, and just know that we are excited to have you back, and we're going to hit it hard this next couple months and really get a lot of learning in. So be ready. Okay, thanks so much. Have a good week. Bye.